guys, I've been playing with my GoPro Hero 10, but I wanted a second battery. And what I wanted to know, and I looked on the internet everywhere, and I was struggling to find the information, is will a GoPro 9 battery fit a GoPro 10 Black? So what I've done is I jumped on eBay, and I ordered a Tetra battery. It's a non-genuine battery, just a cheapie off eBay, because I wanted to find out for myself and to let you guys know. So here it is. Comes in a little bag, little thing like that. So there it is, a GoPro 9 non-genuine battery. So let's have a look, see if it will fit. Firstly, we're going to have a look at the batteries. So the batteries are physically the same size, they're the same width, they have the same bases. Positive and negative are both on the same sides. I should say negative and positive are both on the same sides, because it's negative on that side, positive on that side. There is a little bit of a difference here. Now, the original GoPro battery is a 1720 milliamp 3.85 volt 6.62 WH. And the replacement battery, non-genuine, is a 1780 milliamps, so I've got a little bit more power, 3.85 volts, so that's the same, and 6.85 WH. I'm unsure what the WH means. So let's see if the GoPro 9 battery physically fits into a GoPro 10. Just like that. GoPro 9 battery straight into the GoPro 10. And look at that. It even turns on. So there you have it, guys. A GoPro 9 battery will fit into a GoPro 10 Black. So keep that in mind when you're looking around for batteries. Good thing to know. Get out there and have fun, guys.